Page 8, treasure map. In this lesson, they're introducing you to what's called a rest, or what's known as a rest. A rest is simply when you're quiet, because music isn't always sound. Sometimes there's silence in there. I mean, today's music is like there's sound, loud sound all the time. But I'm talking a lot of music, there's silence in there. The rest they're introducing is a weird-looking little thing. It's a squiggly thingy. Call it quarter rest. See, for every note, there is a rest that goes. There's a corresponding rest. Quarter note, quarter rest. The point is they're counted the same. So in a quarter note, you'd play something for one count, but in a quarter rest, you're quiet for one count. That's the only difference. Some people say that little squiggly thing kind of looks like a bird diving down. I mean, in studying music, it kind of helps a lot, actually, if you could have a little bit of an imagination. Yeah. I don't know how you're going to go about remembering this stuff. I leave that up to you. Just know that that symbol is a quarter rest. And music notation has evolved over time. So a quarter rest did not always look like this. So if you look at music that was printed 100 years ago or more, you may not see any quarter rests that look like that. They look like something else. Yeah, don't worry about it. Let's stick with today's music. Now in treasure map, we're going to use the same two black keys we've been using. Any two black keys wherever, I don't care. Same two fingers 2 and 3. Yeah, okay. But now we're only going to play them one note at a time. And it's going to be the upper note and then the bottom note. So you'd go here, the upper note, and then the bottom note, and you do the bottom note twice. So it's same thing, left hand, upper, bottom. That's what we're doing. We're not playing them at the same time necessarily. But they have a rest in there. In treasure map, you see at the end, you get 3 quarter notes and then a rest. So you go 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. See that pulse or the beat stays the same. So it's rest, rest, so forth. Now, in addition to that, they want you to move around. We gotta love moving around. You'll see in treasure map, each set of notes gets lower, lower, lower. They want you to go down the keyboard. Well, that means you got to start high enough up so you can go down. Now, in this one, the left hand's going to do all the notes. So we're just going to come up here. You're going to use 4 sets of these here, 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 and here. So we got to make sure we start high enough so we got room for 4. Those are the ones we're going to use. And we're going to go here, rest, and during the rest you come down. Rest, rest. So the pulse is steady all the way through. How fast you go is up to you, don't care, but it has to be a steady pulse, no hesitations. The rest, a lot of people, they'll hesitate when they go, and then they'll move, and they'll say, okay, and then they'll move, and they'll say, okay. That's not steady. You only get 1 beat there to move, because you got to be there on time. You're not using the right hand, so you can leave your right hand on your lap, or whatever. Now, I would like to do the duet at the bottom, and you do this thing that we just did, at the same time. I'll give us 4 counts. Just keep a steady beat going, and let's see what I can't hear you, but you can hear both, I hope. 1, 2, ready, go.